You are currently the only person in this conference.
Hello.
Okay, hello, sir.
Yes, miss.
Okay,
I-
you can hear my voice?
Yes, I can you, miss. I can hear you, miss.
Okay, great. So, how are you today, sir?
I'm good, miss.
Okay, and have you eaten your breakfast?
Not yet.
Not yet. Oh,
After this class,
after this class.
still
Okay,
late.
so what do you want to eat, sir, for your breakfast?
Uh, can you repeat one more time, miss?
Okay, what do you want to eat for your breakfast?
I usually eat uh nasi goreng, fried
Oh,
rice or lontong.
Oh, fried rice or lontong. Okay, great, sir. And how was your weekend, sir? What did you do for your weekend?
Mm, uh, I usually work. Bekerja.
Hmm. In the weekend?
No,
Oh, for weekdays.
uh, for weekdays.
Okay. So, what did you do yesterday, sir? Since it was Sunday. Kalau kemarin,
Mm,
weekendnya bagaimana, sir? What did you do?
I usually go around by
Hmm.
motorcycle.
Oh, by motorcycle. Okay, great. So, how about for today, sir? What is your plan for today?
Uh, I, I go to work
You go to work. What time, sir? What time you go to work?
uh, at around 10 o'clock.
Oh, 10 o'clock. Okay,
Okay.
great. Okay. So let's say together, sir, our lesson it's about where do you work. So we are going to talk about jobs and also some structures for today. And this is for the first conversation. Can you read it one by one, sir, and fill in the blanks?
What do you do? I'm a teacher. I work at mm, in a primary school.
Okay, I'm a teacher. I work at school, at primary school, middle school, or some kind of types of school. We can add that in this one. Oops, wait. So, okay. And now let's sit together for the review here, sir. We we need to describe about what do they do, and we have five here. Let's see for number one, sir. What is what does she do in number one?
She is a teacher.
Okay, she is a teacher.
Mm.
Two.
Two. They are singer.
Yeah, they are singers. We add S because more than one for the singer here. And then number three.
Number three. She is a cashier.
Okay, she is a cashier.
Number 4, she is a doctor.
Okay.
Number 5, he is a farmer.
Okay, he is a farmer. Very good. So we have 5 here. And let's see for 5 more. Number 6.
Number 6, she is a architect.
Okay, architect.
And number 7, she is a graphic designer.
Okay, graphic designer.
Uh, Number 8, they are police officer.
Okay, police officers.
Number 8, uh, she is a lawyer.
Lawyer. Okay.
And number 10, he is a office worker.
Yeah, he is an office worker. Very great, sir. So in this one, we have 10 for the name of the jobs. And now maybe let's make some sentences about the function, tugas mereka. For example, if we talk about teacher, teacher is teaching the student, for example. And how about for doctor, sir? What is the function of doctor?
She is mengobati orang.
Okay, she is mengobati itu curing, like this, dari asalnya dari cure, okay, atau mungkin she cures the sick
Cures the sick.
people. Nah, so doctor is to cure the sick people. Iya, cure itu untuk merawat, mengobati, atau boleh juga pakai heal. Cure atau heal, menyembuhkan. Nah,
Yeah.
yes, sir. Good. And number 5, farmer. What is the function for farmer?
Farmer is menjaga kebun. Menjaga ladang.
Menjaga ladang, great. So if we want to say menjaga, we can say keep. So we can say like this. Farmer is to keep the field. Field itu untuk ladang, sir. And farm animals. Nah, maybe we can say like this. Okay. Menjaga field, lapangan, farm animals, hewan-hewan di farm, peternakan. And for the next one, maybe we need to describe about police officers. So, what do the police officers do? Iya, menjaga keamanan, right? So, menjaga tadi boleh pakai keep. Okay, kalau keamanan mungkin we can say safety atau safeness. So, we can say to keep the safeness in the city. Nah, we can say like this. To keep the safeness in the city. Atau to guard. Guard ini juga menjaga. To guard the security. Nah, security ini juga bisa untuk keamanan. Okay, so we can choose both of them. Ini semua sama artinya untuk menjaga keamanan city. And maybe the last one, graphic designer, sir. What is the function for graphic designer?
Graphic designer. He and she is draw a picture, menggambar desain ya. Draw a design.
Draw a design. Okay. Of some products, for example. So,
Of some
yeah,
product.
graphic designer is to design or draw a graphic or a picture, something like that, a picture or a graphic for some products. Now, this is for the complete sentence. Okay, sir. So that it's about the review, about making the sentence, about the work's name. And now let's sit together. We have about the workplace here, and we need to choose it. Number one,
Number one, she is a teacher. She works at a primary school.
yeah, primary school. And number two,
They are singers. They are work at a coffee shop.
coffee shop.
Number three, she is a cashier. She works at a supermarket.
Okay, supermarket. And number four,
Number four, she is a doctor. She works at a hospital.
okay, hospital. And five,
Five, he is a farmer. He works in the field.
okay, in the field. Very great. Or we also can say farm or peternakan. Okay, sir. So this is about the name of the places for the workplace here. And for the singers, we have like various places. Kita punya banyak variasi. Mungkin ada di coffee shop atau mungkin bisa kita sebut stage. Stage ini untuk panggung biar lebih general. Nah, that is for this one. And how about for Dr. Gigi, sir? What is Dr. Gigi in English?
Dentist.
Dentist, very good. So, where do dentists work? Di mana dentist bekerja, sir?
Dentist is dentist. I think at the hospital too.
Hospital, but it's for dentist, right? Atau biasa kita sebut dental clinic, sir. Nah, dental clinic. Nah, this is for the dentist job. Okay, so this is about the review. And now in this one, we need to see for some kind of the new words that we have. Can you read it one by one, sir?
Number one, coffee shop, primary school, supermarket, field, hospital, construction site, studio, police station, office, and law office.
Okay, so it is for the workplace. Ini tentang nama tempat untuk bekerjanya. And for number seven, we have studio. Who works in the studio, sir?
It works. I think uh, singers.
A singer, very great. Ada lagi selain singer mungkin sir yang work in the studio?
Mm, I don't know.
Okay. So in studio we can say for singer or artist. Artist ini kalau bahasa Indonesianya artis yang acting, right? Kalau in English artis ini dia yang merupakan penggambar, something like that, pelukis. Nah, we can say artist for this one. Okay. So that is for the studio, singer or artist. And for the construction site, sir, who works there?
Uh, Such as an architect.
Such as architect, very great. And then let's see together for our structures here, sir. we have two kinds actually, you, they, and he, she. And we have the example here for the you, one here. So untuk strukturnya tinggal pakai where karena bertanya tentang tempat, lalu ada yang pakai do. Where do you work? Atau bisa kita pakai untuk they juga. Where do they work? Nah, untuk jawabannya langsung kita ganti saja. They work at atau in. Tapi kalau untuk he dan she tidak pakai do, tapi kita pakainya does. For example, where does, let me erase this one. Where does he work? Nah, jadi dia lumayan berbeda. Do jadinya does. Dan cara jawabnya juga ada yang kita tambah, sir. Misalnya he works, ada S-nya. He works at atau in. Sama dengan she, yang she juga pakai does, berarti kalimatnya where does she work? Nah, jawabannya juga sama, pakai S juga. She works at atau in. Nah, jadi strukturnya ini kita pakaikan tenses yang namanya simple present. Nah, kenapa pakai simple present? Karena simple present ini menanyakan atau menjelaskan tentang fakta atau kebiasaan. Nah, jadi untuk strukturnya seperti yang kita lihat ini, kalau kalimat normalnya, sir, dia itu pakai subjek dulu, lalu ditambah dengan verb one. Kata kerja bentuk ke-1 tanpa ditambahkan ing atau ed, something like that. Lalu ditambah dengan any information yang lain. Nah, untuk yang istimewa tadi yang she, he, it. Kalau she, he, it-nya verb one-nya itu ditambah dengan s. Nah, jadi makanya di sini misalnya maybe another example. I walk to the park every day. Ini kan tentang habits, kebiasaannya setiap hari. Tapi kalau she jadinya walks. Nah, she walks to the park every day. Nah, jadi penambahan S ini tidak hanya untuk kalimat bertanya tentang pekerjaan, tapi keseluruhan kalimat yang menanyakan tentang facts atau habits. Dan untuk negatifnya, itu ditambahkan do atau doesn't, atau pakai is, are, ditambah dengan not. Berarti di sini kalau kita mau ganti ke kalimat negatif, I don't walk to the park every day. Nah, dan kalau untuk yang she berarti pakai doesn't lagi. She doesn't walk to the park every day. Nah, jadi ini dia untuk asal usul dari strukturnya, mengapa kita ada pakai do, kenapa ada pakai does, dan mengapa di sini kita tambahkan s. Okay. So, any questions, sir? Ada pertanyaan untuk struktur yang pertama?
I think it's enough.
Okay, great, sir. Can you make one example, sir? Mungkin satu contoh yang menggunakan simple present kalimatnya?
Satu contoh ya.
Yes.
She doesn't cook in the morning.
Okay, she doesn't cook in the morning. Ini bisa menjelaskan tentang fakta bahwa dia tidak memasak pada pagi hari atau kebiasaan dia. Right, sir? Dia itu tidak memasak pagi hari. So, that is for this one. Dan, sorry. Note-nya kalau dia sudah di kalimat negatif atau di kalimat interrogatif, kalimat tanya, dia verb-nya itu langsung pakai verb 1, nggak perlu kita tambahkan s. Jadi kita tambah S itu hanya di kalimat positif. Penambahan S, verb 1 plus S ini untuk kalimat positif saja. Nah, so that is for this one. And now we need to write for the correct answer, sir. Ini kita harus menulis ulang, unscramble the words to make the conversation. So, can you read it one by one? And then unscramble the words.
What do you do? I'm
What
a doctor.
What do you do? Oh, ini salah. What do you do? I'm
What
a.
do you do? I'm a doctor.
Okay.
I
Can
work
you
at
type down,
the
sir? Doctor. Okay.
doctor.
And then
I'm a doctor. I work at the care and care
cure
hospital.
hospital.
Care
Okay.
hospital.
Care and cure hospital.
Or
Perawatan dan pengobatan.
care perawatan and cure pengobatan.
Yes.
Okay. And what does she do? She is a designer. 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 She works in a studio.
Okay. In the studio.
Studio.
Designer.
Yeah. And where does your brother? Where does your brother work at? He usually works in an office.
In an office.
Ya, nomornya salah ya ini.
Yeah,
Yang
that's
menurut
okay. Office.
he sometimes works at uh, he sometimes work at the construction site.
Hmm.
Construction
Construction site.
site.
Okay, good.
And he an architect?
Okay, is he an
Is
architect?
he an architect? Architect.
Okay.
Architect. I think yes, he is. What does your mom do? She is a police officer. Police officer.
Okay.
Where does your mom work? She works at the police station.
Okay, police station.
Police station.
Good.
Police station. Uh, in District 3. Sometimes she works in the street too.
Okay, very good, sir. This is the practice to write the vocabulary. For architect, H-nya kita taruh setelah C. Nah, like this, architect. Nah, this is for number 7. And then in this one kita ada district. District itu biasanya kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia kita sebut seperti wilayah atau daerah, something like that. Jadi nama daerahnya daerah 3. Nah, this is for district here. Okay, so this is about our review for the unscramble the words. And now we have the listening practice here, sir. We need to fill in the blanks. I will play for the audio. And coba kita lihat ada 6.
Coffee. Supermarket. Field. Hospital. Construction site.
Oh, it's my brother, Liam. Liam, this is Jane.
Hi, it's nice to meet you. Dean has a brother who is a doctor. Is that you?
That's our elder brother. I'm an architect.
Great. Where do you work?
Most of the time, I work in the office. I mean to draw the designs and meet with my team. Sometimes, I work at the construction site. I need to see how the work is done.
You have a hard job.
Yeah, but I love it. My big brother even works harder than me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he works in the hospital all the time. We almost never see him at home.
I see.
Okay, sir, do you get all of the answers? Okay, let's see for the first one. What is the answer?
There, number one, who is a doctor? Is that you? Mm, our that's our older brother. I am an architect.
Okay, I am an architect.
Most of the time, I work in the office. I mean, draw the designs and meet with my team. Sometimes I work at the construction site. I need to see how the work is done. He had a hard job. Numbers. Yeah. He, uh, he work. Yeah. He work in the hospital all the time. He works. He works.
It works
In
very good,
hospital
sir.
all the time. We almost never see him at home.
I see. So, this is for the audio here. And in this one, kita ada sedikit kalimat untuk perbandingan. Works harder than me. Jadi, cara membuat untuk membandingkan itu, yang pertama kita perlu adjectives-nya atau kata sifat. Sifat apa yang mau kita bandingkan. Misalnya, lebih sulit berarti hard. Tambah dengan ER, jadinya harder than. Misalnya yang lebih tinggi berarti tall, ditambah ER jadinya taller than. Oke, ini dia kita pakai ER kalau kata sifatnya pendek. Misalnya sekali sebut. Tapi kalau kata sifatnya lumayan panjang, misalnya lebih cantik, beautiful, atau lebih handsome, atau mungkin comfortable. Nah, ini nggak kita tambah ER, tapi kita tambahkan more. Nah, more beautiful, more handsome, more comfortable than blank blank blank. Nah, jadi ini untuk membuat kalimat seperti yang ini. My big brother even works harder than me. And then for the next one, maybe that's it for the little bit about the structures. Any questions, sir, for this one?
I think it's enough.
Okay. And for the next one, we have another listening practice. We will have 4 part. In this one, kita harus lihat satu statement yang
A. Works on her computer. B. She's an architect. She works at a construction site. C. She's an architect. She works in an office. D. He's an architect. He works in an office.
In an office.
Okay, which one, sir?
I think it's C. She is an architect and works in the office.
Yeah, very good.
Mm,
She is an architect. She works in an office karena dia sedang ada di dalam ruangan, right, sir? Tidak sedang di luar construction site. So it is C for this one. Very good. Let me write it. She is an architect. Lalu tadi she works in an office. Okay, this is for C. And then number 2, we will have the question.
A. He works at FM Hospital. B. He works very hard, and he works every day. C. He is a doctor and he works 8 hours a day.
I will say.
Okay, which one, sir?
I think the correct answer is A. He works at FM Hospital.
Okay, so what is the question, sir, for this one? Tadi pertanyaannya apa sir? Dari audio?
What what does he works?
Okay,
What does he work?
where
Where
does?
where does he work? Oh, yeah. Where does he work?
Jadi karena ada where,
He
berarti dia
work
kita
at
pilih
FM Hospital.
you're right. And then this is about part 2, and this is part 3. 2 questions.
Uh,
Now, maybe I will play for our answer.
Yes, they do.
What do they do?
My dad is a police officer. He works at the police station in the town.
Oh, how about your mom?
She's a doctor. She works at St. John's Hospital.
I see.
Number 1. Where does the woman's dad work? Number 2. Where does the woman's mom work?
So for number 1, sir,
Number 1, where does the woman's dad? Di mana ayah wanita itu bekerja? I think it's B, a police station.
very
Number 2, where does the woman's mom work? I think it's A, a hospital.
yeah, very good. A hospital, but because she is a doctor, and this
Okay.
one because he is a police officer. Okay, very good, sir. And this is for part 4. I will play for the monologue, and
Farmers. They work all day in the field. It's a hard work, but they love their job. My sister is a doctor. She works in a hospital in the city. She visits us sometime when she has time. I'm in the university now. I want to become a police officer. It's great to work in the police station one day.
Number 1. What does the man's dad do? Number 2. Where does the man want to work?
okay, sir. Number 1.
Number 1, what does the man's dad do? He's a farmer. Tukang kebun. Number A. Where does the man want to work? Di mana laki-laki itu ingin bekerja? Where does the man want to work? I think it's in a police station.
In the police station, because he wants to be a
He
police
wants to
officer.
be a police.
Okay, so how about you, sir? Where do you work?
I work in the store, my teacher.
Okay, in the store. And what is your dream job, sir? When you were a child, ketika masih kecil, what is your dream? What was your dream when you were a child?
I
You want to be a police officer maybe when you were a child, or become a something? What do you want to do when you were a child, sir?
mm, I think I want to be police officer.
Oh, police officer, very great. So that is about this one tentang cita-cita masa kecil. Like me, I want to be a doctor, something like that. But right now I'm a teacher, so that is
Okay.
about the listening practice here. And the
Uh,
next one we have about reading practice, sir. Then we need to choose the correct answer. Number 1.
Number 1, where does does he work? The
Where
answer
does he
is
work?
C.
Good.
Number two, she is a singer. She usually sings in coffee shop.
Okay,
Coffee
in
shop.
coffee shop. Very good, right? So this is about the review. And for the next one, we have about like this. Jadi kita bisa membedakan yang pakai is dan pakai do. Caranya itu, kalau kata yang pakai do atau does, nah ini itu yang ada kata kerjanya, sir, ada kegiatannya, something like that. I do my homework atau I walk. Tapi kalau is MR, nah ini tuh kita pakai kalau tidak ada kata kerja. Misalnya I am a student. Karena tidak ada kegiatan di sini, makanya kita pakai to be. Dan untuk negatifnya tinggal ditambah not. Nah, ini untuk perbedaannya. Mengapa yang number one itu pakai does? Karena ada kata kerja yaitu work.
Work.
So,
Work.
that is for this one. And for the next reading practice, we need to fill in the blanks about photo competition. The first one,
Number one. Oh, where do you work? Do you love workplace? Whether you are a doctor that works in a hospital or a lawyer in a law office, we'd love to see them all. Send us one photo of where you work. The 5 best photos will receive a voucher for 2 people at the 5-star resort, Amanoi.
okay, very good. So, this is like an advertisement, iklan untuk foto competition, yaitu tentang top 5 best photo. And then this one we have resort. Resort itu sama dengan penginapan. Okay, something like that. And then how about you, sir? Do you like taking photos?
Sometimes.
Time.
Tidak begitu.
Oh,
Not
not really.
really.
Oh, okay. So that is about the review for the text part 2. And this is the next one. We have like a story. Do you want to become an architect? Can you read for the sentence here, sir?
Okay. An architect is a hard job. You don't stay in the office all the time. Sometimes you work at the construction site too. However, the job pays well. An architect can earn more than many other jobs. It's also an interesting job. You design and make the houses of many people's dream. Do you want to become one? Find more information about our course at schoolforarchitects.com.
Okay, so number 1.
Number one, according to the text, where does an architect work? I think it's keduanya, both in the office and at the construction sites.
Okay, very good.
Number two, why is the job of an architect interesting? Why is the job of an architect interesting? You, you have more sense. You earn more than many other people.
Okay,
Bisa mencapai lebih ya. You
yeah.
earn more than daripada orang-orang lain gitu ya.
Yes, orang lain. Very good, right? So, that is for this one. Karena di sini kita lihat, okay, why is the job
Iya,
of an architect
job.
interesting? Ini katanya an interesting job because, nah, you design and make Houses of many
Oh,
people's dream. Berarti
it
dia interesting karena D. Nah,
yeah.
D. Dia
Desain and
desain.
make the houses of many people's dream. Kamu
Oh,
mendesain dan membuat rumah impian orang-orang ya.
iya, that's correct, sir. Jadi ini untuk yang interesting jobnya for the reason. Yang ini juga ada earn more than other people, tapi dia tidak disebut poin menariknya in this one. Nah, jadi ini untuk yang selanjutnya. Okay, great, sir. This is for the reading practice. And for the next one, kita ada speaking practice. I will ask you several questions, beberapa question tentang gambar ini. So, the first question, how many people are there, sir?
How many people are there? I think it's in the picture. There are one, two, three, four. Four people.
Okay, for people behind the police too, right,
Yeah,
sir?
I
Ada
have
di
a
belakang
two
juga.
and on the bed ya, di tepi jalan juga.
Yeah, on the side street. Very good. And
Uh,
who are the people? Ada siapa saja kira-kira, sir?
Police officer and older man and two female
Yeah,
girl
and two females behind their back. Very good, right.
and
And
their back.
what is the police doing, sir?
The police is help older help older help older man, orang yang tua.
Yeah, help older man to cross the street untuk menyeberang itu. Yeah, to cross the street. Very good, right.
Cross the street.
And the last question, what does each person look like? Jadi kita harus deskripsikan ciri-ciri fisik
What
mereka.
does it?
What
Can you
does
repeat for me time? What does
each person like? Bagaimana mereka kelihatannya, something like that. For example, the police officer.
people taller than blind man?
Yeah, then the old man, maybe we can say old man
Man.
or blind man. Okay, very good, sir. Berarti ini untuk ciri-ciri fisik. Kalau kita menjelaskan ciri-ciri fisik, pakai look like. Nah, terlihat seperti apa, something like that. Jadi kita bisa sebut tall atau short, mungkin thin, or maybe has blue eyes. Nah, itu juga bisa kita jelaskan. Okay, so that is about our lesson today, sir. So do you have any questions?
Questions. Can you ada ini apa nah? Feedback from me?
Oh, the feedback. Okay, for the feedback. Actually, you did a very good job, sir.
Any feedback for me?
Yeah, any feedback for me, that's good. So for the feedback, for the vocabulary, you already knew all of them, sudah diketahui, right, sir, semua vocabulary-nya hari ini. And for the structures, it is also good, or maybe it's perfect, karena sudah bisa membuat kalimat tadi yang untuk simple present, dan juga untuk membuat yang do dan does juga tadi sudah bisa kita bedakan. So it's great for the structures. And for the TOEIC, untuk TOEIC practice-nya yang pertama tadi listening. Listening tadi benar semua, so it's a very good job. Sudah lebih improve. Oke, sudah improve untuk TOEIC practice. Dan sama dengan reading juga tadi, it's a perfect score. Oh, TOEIC practice ini yang listening, yang reading, sama speaking tadi, sir. Yang ini kita sebutnya TOEIC. Nah, ini tuh untuk TOEIC test kita sebutnya. Oke, jadi all of the TOEIC practice are good. Semua jawaban sudah benar. And for the speaking skill, I think sejak pertemuan pertama untuk speakingnya sudah sangat-sangat improve, berkembang dan menaik. That's very good, sir. Maybe the feedback is good. Maybe untuk latihannya, maybe it's only for speaking longer, something like that. Untuk menjawab pertanyaan lebih panjang lagi, maybe untuk speaking. Tapi untuk grammarnya sudah benar dan sudah lebih baik lagi. That's good, sir. Okay, maybe that is for the feedback. Yes, sir?
Uh, what what should I improve?
The improve. Oh, maybe kalau listening tadi sudah clear, reading juga sudah clear, speaking mungkin speaking, oke, karena speaking kan memang harus diimprove every day, dan mungkin sedikit review untuk grammarnya, sir. Oke, maybe untuk grammar bisa direview lagi biar lebih ingat, maybe something like that. Oke, maybe that's it. Kalau reading dan listening sudah perfect. Okay, sir. So
You
that is
for your feedback and thank you your time. Yes.
okay. You're welcome, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for today, and have a good day, sir. See you.
See you next time.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
You're
See
welcome.
you.